Hey, beautiful people. My name is Rahul, and today in today's video, I will be showing you guys our recent work which we did at YamparalaMedia. So the company name is Gramzy. So what these guys do is they provide one-stop solution for all the stuff that you require to grow on Instagram. It can be for the brands, it can be for creators. So they give overall services all related to Instagram. So the founder is my friend, like he's my old client whom with I worked. So this time we are designing his website, and development is also done by us. So in this video, I just want to show you guys like what are the sections, what are the things that we did, and what are the purpose of it. So I will load the website again. So there are a couple of animations in this so that the user who comes onto this thing doesn't get bored. So this first section, this darker section is called as above the fold, where we need to give an overall perspective of what the user will be getting on this particular website. So we have the title, we have an image which represents everything that the company does, and some of the description, and get started. So these are the things here. Now we here have about us section in which the founder himself gave us this content, and he's very passionate about Instagram. So he's having around 10 k, more than 10,000 followers on Instagram. You can check it out. So here he have given some of the details about the company, like what is his story, and why they are unique in comparison with other competitors. Next, we have here service section where we have shown here major six categories of services that they provide. There are more which you can get on a call with the founder, not the founder, with the team, and get customized service for your Instagram. So there is content creation. Then we have account management. Like account management is very helpful because as a creator you can't be present on the platform every time. You have to look for your own business, you have to create content, and if you're struggling with the creating content, you can take the content creation service. Then we have optimization, we have ads. Also they have some influencers in their connections that can help you grow as your brand. Then we have surveillance. So all of these six sectored um, services are majorly used by influencers and the brands which are majorly focusing on Instagram. So here we have presented these. Then we have a package section where we define that what are the services that they provide and what are the plans here. And when you click on get a quote, you can get a contact with the team of Gramzy and have your customized service. So we have custom package here, and here you can see the all the clients that the Gramsci have worked previously. Here we have a lot of big names like Lakme Fashion Week, we have Nescafe Gold, we have Jack and Jones. So there are, these guys really have a worth of managing Instagram and working on it because they have a lot of experience. Then we have some of the reviews, and here we have the some details about the founder. So you can see he has 50k plus following across all the social media channels. So this is the guy who drives the business, and I'm sure about it. Like if you want to take a written thing, like is it this guy is uh, sorry, if this guy is like worthy or not, I'm damn sure about it that he's worthy. So next in we have let's connect, where you can connect with the team, and in the last we have all the social networks. So if you go on Instagram, I will show you the founders page. You can see that, and okay, here we don't have him. Let me just search it out. Yeah. So here is the guy. He's having around 20 plus K followers, and you can see he's a content creator and a lot of things. So definitely give us a shot and have a look about all the things. So the website name is called as gramsci.co. You can found it, you can type it in the Google and you will be getting it here. So thanks for watching, and definitely contact them if you are requiring any Instagram related services. That's it from my end, and I hope your day is going well. And if it is just started, then have a great day. I will see you in next one. Bye.